Dog Nation, the time has finally come. Welcome to Supercharged Saturdays Season 2. These 16 trucks are going to battle it out all season long. And at the end of this 10 episode season, whichever truck comes out on top and has the most points will go on to take on our reigning supercharged champion, Dragon Ice. With that being said, this is not only the premiere of season 2, but this starts a brand new era to this channel. Welcome to the Dawgverse. Let's get right into season 2, episode 1. Kicking us off, we have Son of a Digger taking on Pirate's Curse. These will all be a one and done until the last race, which will be a best of 3. Also, this is how the points are going to work. All first round losers get 2 points. The trucks that lose in the round of 8 get 4, then 6, then 8, and then the last truck standing gets the max of 10. Season 2 starts now. Great race, but it will be Pirate's Curse getting the first win on the season. Up next we have Monster Mutt Poodle taking on Bulldozer. Good race. Monster Mutt Poodle is going to the next round. Race number 3, we have a battle of the orange trucks, consisting of Horsepower Fire and that awesome looking all orange El Toro Loco. Let's drop those gates. It's going to be Horsepower Fire. Race number 4 of round 1, we have that awesome looking all green Gravedigger taking on Monster Mutt Husky. Oh my! Monster Mutt Husky! Oh my goodness, what a fantastic run! This should be one heck of a race. Avenger taking on the Biker Zombie. In the first season, we saw a couple zombies do very well, and they will continue to do amazing as this one is going to the round of 8. Speaking of zombies, we have 2 more. We have the yellow female zombie taking on the red zombie. And they're off. Red zombie gets the win. Next up, Wildflower versus Queen Bee. Oh, Queen Bee does a front flip and keeps it going and is going to advance to the next round, beating out Wildflower. What a race. And the last race before the round of 8, we have Rescue Ranger taking on Cyclops. And go. Oh, I thought Rescue Ranger had it, but Cyclops comes from behind and gets the win. Kicking us off for round 2, we have Pirate's Curse taking on Monster Mutt Poodle. Now, keep in mind, like I said in the intro, all of the trucks that lose in this round get 4 points each. Round 2, here we go. Oh, they both tumble, but it will be Pirate's Curse. Next up, Horsepower Fire taking on Monster Mutt Husky. Monster Mutt Husky again. Oh, it doesn't matter. They are still going to the final 4. Yet again, two more zombies will race each other. And they are the biker zombie versus the red zombie. Oh, I thought biker zombie had it, but the red zombie gets by him and will advance. The last race before the final four, Queen Bee and Cyclops. Go. It's going to be Queen Bee. Kicking us off with the final four, Pirate's Curse and Monster Mutt Husky. Each truck that loses this round gets 6 total points. Oh! Pirate's Curse beats out Monster Mutt Husky first, and they are going to the contender round. And taking on Pirate's Curse will be either the Red Zombie or Queen Bee. Red Zombie, no, it's gonna be Queen Bee tumbling ahead to go to the final race. The first contender round of the season is here. Pirate's Curse taking on Queen Bee. This will be a best of 3, first truck to win 2. Whichever truck wins gets the max total of 10 points, and whichever truck loses gets 8. Race 1, go! Hold her off. Man, Pirate's Curse. Unbelievable, they just need one more win. If Pirate's Curse wins this race, it's all over. But it's not. Queen Bee gets by him, and we are gonna start things off the right way by going into a backbreaker. For those of you who don't know, we settle tiebreakers by sending them down backwards one final time. Who's walking away? It's gonna be Pirate's Curse coming out on top as the very first season points leader. There you have it, guys. Pirate's Curse comes out on top as the very first season points leader with 10. Let's quickly take a look at the current points going into episode 2. With that being said, I will see you guys next time in episode 2 as we continue to race beyond limits, one track at a time. T-Dog is checking out.